so let's try it. Hello guys, it's Adhi and today I'm back with another video. Actually I'm momo banabo because I'm craving for momo so much that I cannot like think of anything else. So I'm actually broken. I have like 1,000 bucks. Like এটা যদি আমি এই ইয়ার পর্যন্ত না রাখি তাহলে আমাকে আর কেউ দিবে না because it's Qurbani Eid, you guys. You don't get salami in this Eid. So I'm gonna save my money and cook momos. So let's get right into the video because it's time for you guys to get hungry with me. We'll start with the dough of the momos. Amra doughta banabo moida 1 cup moida and water salt diye basic dough jebhabe banay amra doughta oibhabei banabo. And then আমরা এটা একটা wrapping paper দিয়ে wrap করে 1 ঘন্টার জন্য সেট হইতে দেব। মোমোর ডোটা আমরা সাইডে রেখে we'll start off with the chicken. আমরা 1 কাপ চিকেন নেব স্লাইস করা ছোট ছোট পিস করে, and then we'll add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Soy sauce ইউজ করলে আর salt ইউজ করা লাগে না, that's why আমি আর salt ইউজ করিনি। And then I'm using half a teaspoon of black pepper. Tarpor I'm gonna add the green chilies. Ami jehetu ekটু বেশি ঝাল খাই, that's why I'm adding this much. তোমরা তোমাদের মতন করে add করে নিতে পারো according to your taste buds and mix it well. We'll have to mix it in such a way that সব স্পাইসেস গুলো জানি সবকিছুর মধ্যে ভালো করে যায়, and so that আমি একটু পরে ব্লেন্ডারের মধ্যে যখন মিক্স করব এটা জানি ভালোভাবে মিক্স হয়ে যায়। And now I'm adding a little bit of hot oil. এটা হলে the spices mix well, the flavor comes all together, and mix it again. After making a paste, the paste of the chicken will look something like this. The consistency and the mixture of the paste erokomi hobe, just like this. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and mix it all together. Eta pore dawar karon because this brings a strong flavor in it. So age jodi ditam beshi mix hoye jaito, so er pore dile it brings the real flavor in it. Now we are gonna make the outer shell of the momo. After setting it for 1 hour, the dough will somewhat look like this. So I started to sprinkle some flowers and take out a small piece of dough, and then started to give it a circle thin shape. Now for making the momos, I'll take the circle dough and put the chicken paste filler inside in the center and wrap it like this. And for steaming, যেহেতু আমার কাছে steamer নেই, that's why I'm using a rice cooker. আমি rice cooker half water fill করেছি, and now I'm putting the momos in it. Then we will close the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after it's done it will look something like this. To take out the momos, we need to sprinkle some water first because na hole niche theke utbe na and nicher layer ta oita bhenge jabe. That's why we need to take it out after sprinkling some water in it. And our momos are ready. So guys, I'm done with the momos and the final look is this. It's hot and ready. I'm going to leaves at kursi so that it looks good. So I'm gonna try it out and make sure you guys try it when the momos are hot. কারণ এটা যদি ঠান্ডা হয়ে যায় then it doesn't taste good. So let's try it. It's nice. Sauce are better. The sauce is like I have add sesame oil in it. That's why it's pura ekdom Chinese sauce gular moto lagche. Let's put this aside. Eta dekhe amar কেমন জানি cringe লাগতেছে that this is not edible. So yeah, the momo, the outer area is good, like not so hard. কারণ যখন ঠান্ডা হয়ে যাবে তখন এটা অনেক hard হয়ে যায়. That's why we need to eat it when it's hot. আর ভিতরের চিকেনটা it's perfect, like it's perfect. আর it might seem like যে আমি অনেক মরিচ দিছি, but no, এটা একদমই ঝাল না. So let's try the other one out. Guys, I feel blessed because অনেক দিন আমি ফুড পান্ডায় ফুড অর্ডার দিই না and it was worth it. Like it took me like 1 hour to prepare this, but it's worth it. Like, oh my god. And if you guys want to try this out, you can order it from me. I'll put the price and the details in the description box above. So if you guys wanna order it, you can check out the description box because I can send it to you guys. So ja boltesilam, I make it with my own hands and I'll send it to you guys. Feel free to inbox me in my page. I can make it for you and send it to you guys. And another thing is, shout out to Rohan. He's my first YouTube subscriber and he commented and he liked my video first in YouTube. If you guys haven't seen my YouTube video yet, go check it out. And if you want to get a shout out, you just have to follow my page, like my page and turn on the notifications so that you get notified whenever I post. And you should also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get a shout out. And guys, if you want me to review any food for you guys, you can just comment down in the comment box below. So this is it for today. So stay tuned until I come back with more videos and get you guys more hungrier next time.